So we can continue again. Alright. Over the last month, we have increased the amount of wellness opportunities that is available to faculty and staff. While these opportunities have been previously announced on various internal web pages and within the WOF. Today, employee with the new lister. Below you find a central listing the opportunities completed for your companies. Virtual classes of fitness at home. Get Healthy Now (GHN), the University Employee Wellness Program has collected multiple online resources for staying active and focusing for your wellness. Yoga at your desk is a collection of stretches for your back, neck, arms, and legs. Whether you seated and desk on the couch somewhere as you home, you can follow this short video for a quick seated stretch break. The stretches are designed to release and the tension is hesitant and get relief from excess the pain. 10 minutes workout is a written workout that you can do at home by following the visual and step-by-step techniques for exercise with resistance bands. Cosmic Kids Yoga is a YouTube yoga channel for families that incorporates yoga movements into interactive stories and songs. The energetic structure uses her British accent to take families on virtual adventure that boost strength, balance, and confidence. Dancing at Home is an online collection dance tutorial provided by the Louisville Ballet for families to stay active and creative together. The tutorial includes a wide range of dance warm-ups, ballet basic and folk dance from around the world. The Department of Intramural and Recreational Sport is offering multiple virtual fitness opportunities that are open to faculty and staff. Virtual fitness consultations are free to all employees Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. When you sign up for 50 minutes, one one-on-one virtual consultation with a certified fitness instructor, you will receive a customized exercise routine based on what you have available. You home to get started and send email to Hotfile Elofi Edu. My Club, an exercise program that encourages participants to walk, run, hike, or bike. No matter you have traveled this summer to a destination, by the My Club you can email your destination and weekly tour tasks the host. You can download the Strava apps. Join the staff with you. Shop is a My Club there to track your miles once you arrive to your destination. Extramural staff you will share your key vision. The mental health connection. Human resources is offering a new professional personal growth series called Learning Cafes. There are so many exciting benefits for employees that can support your overall well-being. Learning Cafe are online session focus on continuing in professional and personal growth while working at home. Each cafe factory a topic of interest, guidance from a session moderator and entertaining activity reading and time for discussion and sharing to renew your connection to the world. Family talk include talking to your friend about the focus, saying motivate while working remote medicine, home play, employee researchers group can support you and more. Analytic My Strength is an online program available for enter members that helps users learn to reduce stress and monitor different areas of their health. For example, you can utilize the daily mood tracker to analyze your partner, take mini interactive courses on focus areas such as controlling anxiety. Listen to the reaction audience to crawl through uplifting image and question that update every time you log on. There is also specific set practical those article dedication just to COVID-19 pandemic. The Employee Assistance EAP, a university a benefit to provide free and confidential counseling service and resources to you, your household family member, even if you are enrolled and of medical plan. The party human development company the program the counselors and available 24 to 7 and you can do the free confidential session per topic per year. Topic you can discuss with a course include and grace and loss, stress management, alcohol, substance use, marital relationship, depression. Workplace counselors can also provide referrals for teen suits as they care, elder care, and financial consent. Health promotion education campus health service and experience some of the program offering to include faculty and staff. Core mindfulness is a 4 week class that teaches participants evidence-based methods for mindfulness, meditation, and stress resilience. The Core Basic introductory course is available now through June after completion of Core Basic participants may efforts to Core 2.0 for additional 4 week class. So that and the space is a guided and narration meant to facilitate and mindfulness by walking listeners through slow walking at one originally created for in personal observation at the speed the guided ground that can also be used the app available in your home and with the speed online collection. For example, you can open the online Kentucky collection 11800 and 19045 and listen property by you as a word of mouth. Triggers to the university the hope optimal research, innovation, and care management offer multiple opportunities for employees to stay connected with topic related holistic health. My health matters. The week virtually meeting of the doctors. You will want to learn more about individual, family, and community holistic health test weekly meeting occurs every Monday, evening for 6:30 and 30 to 7:30 p.m. A features arranged a holistic health topics, guest speakers, activities, and open discussion. Meetings are designed to help participants cope with the pandemic and provide a space to bring you concern. For peer support, call in the store. In hospital mediation, usually offer daily Friday at 12:30 p.m. session of hosted by one public bank foundation, Optima Aging Clinic Mental Health Providence, and a Western ACS where participants will address their stress and anxiety during the uncertain time through guided meditation. With our navigation, the partner together, your total well-being is critical and worth as multiple research opportunities available is right now to help you. Give you some time in the calendar to schedule meeting, search and look for these opportunities today. So we can continue again.